Hey guys, welcome back to day 4 of the Chryslers On The Murray Roadtrip adventure. So we've started out our morning at Forbes by the beautiful river, moved along to Grenfell where we've had morning tea, a look around, cute little town, moved on to Temora, we've had lunch, and then moved on to Junee, had a look at the chocolate factory and settled into our accommodation for the night. While visiting Grenfell, we were hoping to check out the Chrysler Museum, which we got to see about 8 years ago when we went through, but unfortunately it was closed. While visiting Grenfell, we were able to see another beautiful silo art. Some of these silo arts are so amazing in the way that they are structured. In this one, with the sheep and the cows and the birds, etc., it's across multiple in one landscape from one angle. Tuning into GME, we were lucky enough to make it in time to check out the chocolate factory. It's amazing to be able to go in and watch them actually create all of the items that they sell in-house and around Australia, and be able to actually try before you buy is amazing too. So after our dirt road adventure, we had to give the cars a tub, get them clean so that we can continue on down to Albury, with tomorrow's leg literally landing us in the heart of Mopar territory. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for part 6 of the Chryslers On The Murray road trip adventure, where we finally reach Albury.